Hi, I'm Liz, and I'm going to be showing you how to submit a station on the Chesapeake Data Explorer. Before you begin, you will need a user account to log into the Data Explorer. The purpose of this function is to suggest a station for your monitoring group, and once you submit the station, it will need to be verified by your program coordinator or CMC service provider before you can upload data. Let's get started. To get started, go to the Chesapeake Data Explorer homepage at cmc.vims.edu and log into your account. Once you log in, you can access the Submit a Station form by going to Data and selecting Submit Station, or you can select the Submit Station button under Quick Links. You're going to start out by entering a station name. This should be a short alphanumeric name that represents the station. The standard CMC nomenclature for a station name is the first 3 letters of each of the word in the water body name, followed by the miles from the mouth of a connecting water body. For example, if your station is on Little Deer Creek, that's 3 miles from the convergence with the James, you're going to type in LITDEECRE 3.0 for Little Deer Creek. If you're unsure of the station name, just enter any name that signifies the water body or some distinguishing factor, and your program coordinator or CMC service provider can make adjustments to that after you submit the station. Next, you'll notice that the station code populates itself based on your group code and the station name that you entered above. Next, you're going to enter a station long name, and this is a little bit more of a descriptive feature of the station that you're talking about. So this is where we would write Little Deer Creek. Next, you're going to enter a station description, and this can get a little bit more descriptive. So it can be something like the dock at the end of a property or near a restaurant or something like that, or a specific address. So we'll write 450 Deer Creek Road. Next, you're going to enter a latitude and longitude. The latitude and longitude needs to be in the NAD 83 datum and in decimal degrees. So if you know your latitude and longitude, you can just type it in right into the field, making sure that you go to 4 decimal places. If you don't know your latitude and longitude coordinates, then you can click this box in order to open up a map where you can zoom in to any location on the map, and you can drop a pin just by clicking anywhere on the map. Once you click, you'll see that the latitude and longitude coordinates populate for you. If you need to change your location, just click anywhere else on the map. Once you're done with that, you want to enter any additional comments about the site. Anything else that will really help your program coordinator or CMC service provider figure out where the station is and accept it into the system. Once you're done, click Save, and a green box will appear in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, signifying that you've added the station successfully. Next, your program coordinator or CMC service provider will have to activate that station before it will appear on the drop-down list for you to enter data. Thanks, and check out our other videos to learn about additional functionality of the database.